vegetarian foods na pinadala sa amin ni Nurse Ronabel Blanco Timunira. Ayun. Ayun, Nurse. Kararating lang ng yung padala sa amin. Siguro magsimula na kami ng vegetarian. Dahil para sa mix si Buninay. Chanyak pala. Ayun, at ano kaya mga laman nito? Bukan natin hiwain. Hiwain mo natin. Lagi kong
head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game I'm gonna play it, yeah.
At kung sino naman gustong mag-veggie dyan, mag-message lang, mag-PM lang sa amin yung pay-payner. Kung gusto mo, order po kayo kay Nurse Ronabel. Yung si Nurse Ronabel pala, yung asawa niya ay Dr. Edward Timunira. Ayun, hirap banggitin ng pangalan ng video niya dito. Maraming salamat pala sa mag-asawang Mr. and Mrs. Edward Timunira. Hirap po. Hirap yung buksan. Mahirap kasi yung apelyido nyo. Hirap din buksan yung mga pinadala nyo.
When you're undressed, I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. All the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession.
Kasi siyempre gusto kong maging healthy yung kalusugan ko, kaya yun, buti na lang mayroon tayong mabait na doktor, si Dr. Edward Timunira at si Nurse Ronabel Blanco Timunira. Ayun, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sinasabi ni Nurse na ito daw ang kainin ko. It's good. Down. Under. Ayun. Mga kapay natin, baka gusto nyo mag-order. At gusto nyo rin maging vegetarian. Ayun. PM lang po kayo at marami na pong produkto na dumating sa amin. At siguro maging vegetarian na ako soon. Kadami ito. Kadami ito, oh. Yan. So, naman ang nurse namin, si Doktor. Ayun, anti-smoke pots. Ayun. Siya nagsigarilyo siguro nino. Saan man ka na ang kaungo. Ayun, at ito naman, itong bensin sa sinasabi ni nurse. Ito. Yan. Ano ba naman eh? Ano naman? Yes, ka mga dyan yun, yes? Pati nung nga pang sa lahi ni Sesame. Sesame na. Sesame. 1.8. Ayun. Kadami. Yung mga pang ano to, panghalo siguro to sa gulay. Mga ano siya. Yan mga, yun na nga. Itong ikakainin ko daw sabi ni nurse. Kasi, mahirap na magkasakit. Kasi may sakit na nga, dagdagan pa. Ayan, tapos na po ang aming unboxing. Thank you, thank you. Ikaw naman, pasalamat. Ayan. Ugag talaga itong partner ko. May sayad sa utok.
Ayan po mga kasayad natin dyan.
Okay pa man yun.
Ha? Berban, 840
Meron.
Sabi naman,
Yun na lang.
385.
Ayan mga kaano natin. Hanapin, hindi lang kayo sa amin.
Oh,
At mayroon
matang mo ito
kami.
magkatid. O, Jib.
Ang galing mo na ilang napilar.
Atong sa napay na